Hello everyone, I'm Maki. Today we're going to be discussing about atmospheric pressure and some topics related to it. So stick up with me. The topics that we're going to be discussing are what is the atmospheric pressure and what effect does altitude have on atmospheric pressure. Additionally, how do we measure atmospheric pressure? When we come to the first topic, what is atmospheric pressure? The atmosphere is a layer of air that surrounds the Earth. This column of air has a weight which presses down on you, and it is this that gives rise to the atmospheric pressure. So, what is the atmospheric pressure? It is a pressure that exists because a column of air presses down on the surrounding, including me and you. But okay, so why don't we feel this atmospheric pressure? It's a pressure, right? We don't normally notice the atmospheric pressure because if you move your hands up and down, you can't really feel it. But it is definitely there. How? The reason we don't feel it is because not only does it push on you equally from all direction, I mean left, right, front, and back, but our bodies push back too. So we don't notice it because there's a pressure from the air, but our bodies have a reaction force that pushes the pressure. So this gives us a kind of equilibrium between the pressure in our bodies and the surrounding atmosphere. Let's go to the next topic. What effect does altitude have on atmospheric pressure? The height above sea level or altitude has a significant effect on the atmospheric pressure. Imagine climbing a tall mountain. The higher you get, the smaller the column of air above you. This means there is a smaller mass of air above you and so less weight pushing you down. So the pressure is low. So when we conclude it, as altitude increases, the atmospheric pressure decreases. For example, if we have an altitude of 0 meters or at sea level, we have an approximate pressure of 101,000 pressure or 101 kilopascal. But if we go to a higher altitude, let's say 1,000 meters, we will get 90,000 pascal of pressure. So when we see this effect, as the altitude increases, the pressure decreases. So let's go to the next topic. How do we measure the atmospheric pressure? There are a lot of instruments that we use to measure the atmospheric pressure, but the most commonly used instrument to measure the atmospheric pressure is the barometer. Okay, how does it work? A barometer acts like a balance that balances the weight of the atmosphere against the weight of a mercury column. If the air pressure is high, the mercury will rise, and at a lower pressure, the mercury goes down. So this is how it works. When the pressure is high, the mercury that we have put in a tube will go higher. So making us know or letting us know that the pressure is higher. But if the air pressure is low, the mercury goes down, so we will know that the pressure is low. Okay guys, thank you for sticking up with me and thank you for seeing this video. Feel free to like and subscribe.